Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Carla, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I am cleaning up my son's bedroom, the living area, our dining area, and our kitchen. Today is actually a Friday, and on this day, my husband was getting back from being out of town for work, and I wanted to go ahead and make sure that the house was clean. I was actually going to be at work this evening, so I wanted to make sure that he came home to a clean house, and also my stepkids will be coming as well. So I just wanted to make sure everything was ready, clean, and good to go. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this right here. It is a tile that I got at Home Depot for like 8 cents, and I added those little felt I don't know what you call those, like little felt stickers. And I put one of my son's pictures on there. I just Mod Podged it and then put Mod Podge over it, and I just made him a coaster, so he keeps that in his room, and that's what where he puts his cups on.
God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Hey guys, just a little fun facts about this table right here. I actually did this the night before. I painted it with some chalk paint, and I glazed it, and I sealed it with polyacrylic. I just wanted to share that with y'all because I just love just having anything that I have in the house that I can change and just make my own. I just love doing.
The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay all night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be, will be. Wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a.
All right, guys, I just wanted to point out my sink. As you can see, it is white and it is, I guess, a porcelain material. I do not like it. I cannot wait for my husband to replace it. I'm not sure when, but I know we will definitely replace it, and I know that I will definitely put it on video. But we are definitely going to get a just one compartment sink, and we have decided to go with a black and of course different fixtures, and then change our other appliances. But I just do not like this sink, y'all. It is just, it annoys me every single time, and it stains real easy too. And I tried baking soda, vinegar, and the stains just don't come out. And sometimes those stains are from like pots that I'm washing that just kind of like make like a black mark. It's super weird, but I cannot wait to change out our sink. Also, our backsplash. I have decided to change the backsplash, but I am I'm going to keep that as a little surprise for y'all.
So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing, and we can be so much more than who we are. So much more than who we are. We can.
Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and joining my family. I would love to have you. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video.
But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happens.